We're down to our two end posts. So these are going to be new posts. They were not there originally. And I've already made the base the same and this section the same. And I think for the sake of consistency, I think we better make this all the same. And that center connector right there. But then this is a chance to vary the top. So turns out I did some measuring, and on the other side, on the other end, it's the exact same height as these, all the fronts. So that's good. So I'm going to go by the length of that top piece for there. Over here, however, I suspected it would be different. I don't know exactly why, but we have our connection here. However, I don't know if the house, I don't know what's going on, but maybe it's the way it was originally because I think I got everything else correct. We're a ½ inch off here. So I've designed a new top. So instead of that top, we are going to go with this top. So it's a different curve. It's got a little curve here at the top, and then it just comes down. So by going with this design, taking off a ½ inch will basically be not noticed. You won't be able to tell, especially the difference between the two ends. So the design will be flexible. We're going to put two of these together. I think we'll make a turned piece for here, maybe a nice flowerette. And I don't know, I was thinking about doing something on the edges here. I'd like to do that because I'm not going to do the center piece. I'm not going to do the center like we did there. I wanted to do something a little different. And we'll probably put these little wings on here because they had nice support. You can see them there. Okay, time to cut some more.